I get this question all the time. Devin, should you choose a niche based on viewer pain points or pure curiosity? Short answer. If you're a beginner, start with pain points unless you have a real edge in packaging curiosity. Here's why. Pain point content has built-in demand. People already know they want the answer. They search it, they click faster, and YouTube understands who to show it to. Curiosity content can grow bigger, but it's harder because the viewer didn't wake up needing it. You have to create the want. So use this 3-part test. First, urgency. Is the viewer actively trying to solve something right now? Second, repeatability. Can you make 30 to 50 video angles without stretching? Third, expansion. Can this niche evolve from one problem into a broader worldview or identity? If a niche scores high on urgency, that's a strong beginner niche. If it scores low on urgency but high on repeatability and expansion, that's more of a curiosity niche, and you'll need stronger packaging. My operator rule: pain gets the first click, curiosity builds the deeper brand. The best channels usually combine both. Solve a real problem, but frame it in a way that sparks intrigue. If you're validating ideas, Satura is useful for organizing niche tests, title angles, and content clusters in one workflow. So don't choose based on trendiness or ad demand first. Choose based on the psychology of why someone would watch.